Hello everyone, this is just going to be a quick video discussing our discussion forum on metacognitive reflection. The first thing that you're going to do is read this article that kind of discusses the theory, thinking, and practice behind metacognitive reflection and how it can help you in both your academic career and your professional career, and I would argue even your personal lives. What you're going to do after you read and annotate that reading is begin by answering the following questions. So, according to the article, what is the role of metacognitive reflection? This only needs to be a few sentences, 2 to 3, but you're thinking about what the article argues is the purpose of metacognitive reflection and why it is important to do it. For number 2, which I've asked to be a little bit longer of an answer, you will be answering what are the benefits of metacognitive reflection and how might metacognitive reflection affect your decision-making process in challenging situations. So you want to pause and think about how reflecting on your own process and your own responses to challenges that maybe led to success could help you in the future when you have challenging situations, especially in an academic or professional context. For number 3, I've asked that you take the time to consider any experience you may have already had with metacognitive reflection. You might think if you journal in your own time, or if you have, or you do any other kind of reflective processes, and how those have helped you. So anytime that you have really reflected on your own approach to a situation, stepped back and asked yourself, well, how could I have handled that better? Or what can I do next time to further promote my success in that situation? If you've not used metacognitive reflection, as I've noted here, I've just said to please describe how you might use it in your academic and professional career, if you have not already. Whichever one of these you choose to answer, it should just be between 3 to 4 sentences. Then, once you are done with those first questions, you will have a few days, but you will want to then respond to your peers. No more than 2 is required, but a minimum of 2 is required. And I want you to compare your metacognitive reflection experiences with your peers in around 3 to 4 sentences. So identify any key similarities you might see between you and your peers, like common challenges or similar strategies that you both use. If you have any questions about this assignment, please reach out. You'll see I've noted here, just in my own words, why metacognitive reflection is so important. It does allow individuals to gain a deeper understanding of their own learning processes and identify areas for improvement. And I think talking about this with your peers is really important because, as I've noted here, you can gain new perspectives and strategies which maybe you hadn't considered prior.